Hey guys, today brings me to this little inlet between Huntington Beach and Newport Beach, and you can see it right here. It's just along PCH, and when you go over the bridge, it's the first light, and you make two rights and it'll bring you to the Santa Ana River Jetties, which is this little area here. Real quick, that's just the bridge you drive over, and that's the inlet itself. Today I got the ugly stick, the Shakespeare tiger, and this brand new 7.5 foot pole with squid as bait. And the water visibility today is very clear, so let's get it. I don't know. Oh, it's a strike. Oh, check it out.
What is that? The shark?
Hey.
What is that? Amy! No, it's not a stingray. I don't know, it's some type. It might be a baby one.
It doesn't have a box.
Smaller. I had to call it after that because I figured if I put my pole in the water for a third time, I would just get another ray. But if you guys like what you saw, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay up.